Namaste and welcome to Panchkosh. How are you all? Today we are going to do some mudra sessions. We'll be talking about the mudras. Well, what do you get the idea when I say mudra? Mudra means the gestures or the postures of the body. So, we will discuss about these mudras today. So, get on your mat and start it with me. Well, mudra means gestures as I told you. But do you know that while doing mudras or while doing some postures, we can regulate the body? You must have noticed that whenever we are happy, then the body is elated, and anybody can see from outside only that your soul is happy right now. And whenever we are very dull, lazy or unhappy, then our body automatically starts slouching, and we can see it from outside only. You must have heard about the body language also. Means people can get the idea about the character of a person when they are seeing the body postures or the body different mudras, that is postures only. These are very unconscious things. Means whenever the body is feeling something, some emotions are going on, then unconsciously it comes on our body also. But do you know that we can regulate our emotions and the body physically and mentally also by doing the mudras consciously? So today we'll talk about this only. In mudras, we'll talk about the Tattvik mudras today. Tattvik mudras means the mudras related to the tattva or the elements. Our body is made up of 5 elements, that is air, water, earth, ether and fire. These 5 elements makes us as a body. So we can balance these 5 elements by doing some mudras with our hands only. Our hand, this palm, it just describes all these 5 elements. Means the different fingers and the thumb are related to these 5 mudras. Like this thumb is related to fire. This index finger, this is related to air. This middle finger, this is about the ether in our body. And then this ring finger is related to the earth element. This pinky or the little finger, this finger is related to water. So by doing some positions, like we can make 8 mudras. So there are 8 Tattvik mudras we can talk about, and we can regulate our body physically, mentally and emotionally. We can actually remove all the blockages related to our mental state, body state by doing these Tattvik mudras. And you know what? There are no side effects of doing these mudras. So you can definitely try out all these mudras. And as I say and as I believe that I just don't do things what others just say. I just try to incorporate that in my life, and then I see what actually that makes a difference or not. So I just suggest and request you all that you too just try to practice these mudras or anything whatever is said or done in yogic philosophy. Then see the difference, that what are the effects it comes out in your body, and then see the difference. And if you see the difference with these mudras, then please do comment in the comment section. So let's start with the first mudra, that is Gyan mudra. So how we make the Gyan mudra? This is as I told, this is the fire element. So we'll be incorporating thumb in all the mudras, and we'll connect the tip of the thumb and the tip of the index finger like this, and then the rest of the fingers will remain straight like this. So this is the Gyan mudra. The very first mudra is Gyan mudra. This is a meditative mudra. Whenever you're doing meditation, then we do this Gyan mudra only. This is called Chin mudra also. Whenever we are doing it for actively or for awakening the mind, then we are doing it like this. And whenever we are doing it like this, then it is called as Gyan mudra, and this way it's called as Chin mudra. So this is Chin mudra. or Gyanu Mudra we can call it. And how does it impact your body? So let me tell you that this mudra is very helpful if you want your memory to be sharpened. So it sharpens your mind, it enhances your memory. So if you want to enhance your memory power, so just go for this mudra. This is also related to our Agya Chakra. So it increases the consciousness. So if you want the impact on subtle level, so you can do it to get all these conditions in your body. The next mudra is Vayu Mudra. As I told you, index finger is related to air. So by putting this finger tip, the tip of the index finger, will be pressing it against the base of the thumb like this, and then we'll put the tip of the thumb on the first phalange like this, and then we'll be pressing it down like this, and the rest 3 fingers will remain straight like this. So this is Vayu Mudra. And now let me tell you the benefit of doing this mudra. So by doing this mudra, we are actually balancing the air element in our body. So whatever the diseases are related to Vata, we can get rid of all the Vata related problems. And let me tell you what are the Vata related problems. So the gas problem in your stomach. So with gas you can have indigestion also, and bulging stomach. If you are fighting with these things, then you need to do this mudra. Whenever the gas or the air element increases, it impacts the movement of the body. So it impacts the limbs, the muscles, the bones of the body. So to get rid of all the pains related to the muscles or the bones, like knee pain, sciatica, or the arthritis, all these pains are related to Vata only. So to get rid of these pains, we need to do this Vayu Mudra. And the next mudra is related to the ether. So whenever we need to balance the ether, we'll do this mudra. That is, we'll be joining the tip of the middle finger and the thumb like this, and we'll be pressing it. Like whenever we are pressing it, we are actually engaging the flow towards the ether particle or ether element in our body. So by pressing it, we are actually balancing the ether or the space in our body. So by doing this, we can balance the ether, and with this, the Agya Chakra and the Vishuddha Chakra and the Heart Chakra, all these chakras can be activated. So this is responsible to balance the ether or the space. And the next mudra related with the same finger is Akash Mudra. In Akash Mudra, we'll be pressing the tip of the middle finger on the base of the thumb, and we'll be pressing it the same way we did in the Vayu Mudra. So here we'll be pressing it. It's not like we are not just putting it here, we are pressing it. We are pressing the phalange down like this with the help of this thumb. So it will create this mudra like this. So Akash Mudra is very important. If anybody is having any kind of problem related to ear, like earaches or tinnitus, this is the mudra which can remove all the problems related to your ears. And if you are also having the watering eyes, then also you must do this mudra at least an hour a day continuously, because if you're doing any yogic practice, you need to be patient. Means you can't see the difference in a day. You need to practice it, and slowly you will see the difference in a certain period of time. So just keep doing it and see the difference. And also with ear and the eyes, it can also help to get rid of the thyroid or throat related problem. Then heart problems, anybody who is having heart problem, they should also do this mudra to decrease the space or ether element in the body, so that you can have a healthy heart, healthy throat. So you want to be having any kind of throat problem like thyroid. And also for strengthening the bones, this mudra is very important. And how much you need to do it. So So if you are having any serious kind of problem like watering eyes and all, then you need to do 1 hour a day. Otherwise you can do 15 minutes, and you don't need to sit like this every time. Means whenever you are getting time, just make this mudra and do it. You can press it even if you are in office or you're studying. You can just make this mudra and can stay at least for 15 minutes in the same position, and certainly I assure you that in that period of time you will see the difference, because I have seen it on myself, so I can assure you this. So yeah, this is the ether mudra or the Akash mudra, decreasing the ether in the body. Now next mudra is related to the earth. So whenever we are putting this ring finger, that is related to the earth element, and we'll be putting it against the thumb like this. So we'll be pressing it here, and this is earth or Prithvi mudra. So by doing this mudra, means what are the characteristics of earth? That is stable and that is strong. So if you want the strength and the stability, then you need the balance of the earth element in your body, and you can get it by doing this mudra like this. And then the one more mudra related with the same finger is fire mudra or Surya mudra. So this thumb is related to fire. So whenever we are putting it like this, then we are decreasing the earth element and increasing the Surya element in our body. And now, as the characteristic of suns, we can see that the heat is the main characteristic of sun. So by doing this mudra, we can increase the heat of the body, and by increasing the heat, I mean the digestion of your body will get strengthened, will be strong by doing this mudra. And also if your digestion is strong, then you will get a high metabolic rate. So if anybody is fighting with obesity or fat, then you need to do this mudra 15 minutes at a time. So with this Surya mudra, we will get a good digestion, less fat in the body, and the body temperature will increase. So this is helpful to get a healthy digestive organs. So it massages all the organs also. So it increases the pitta nature of the body. So next mudra is related to water. Water, our bodies consist of 70 to 80% of water. So you can understand the importance of water in our body, and we can get that balanced water by doing the Varun mudra, and that is like we are just joining the tip of the pinky or the little finger with the tip of the thumb. So we are doing it like this, then it's Varun mudra, and you can do this mudra anytime, anywhere. And now what is the importance of doing this? So if you want that lustrous and glowing skin, then this is the mudra you need to do. If you have the problem of dehydration, then this is the mudra. In summers, we can see that we have very less water or the decreased quantity of water element in our body. So what do? We need to keep the balance, and we can get that balance by doing this Varun mudra. So yeah, for lustrous skin, for balancing the water, and for having a healthy body, do this mudra. As I told you, you can do it anywhere. Whenever you feel like doing it, you can do it. And the mudra related when sometimes we have the swelling on our body because of retention of the water. Many people just fight this problem. So for that we need to decrease the water element, and we can decrease that element by doing the Jalodhar mudra, and that mudra is achieved by we'll be just putting the tip of the pinky fingers on the base of the thumb, and we'll be putting the pressure, and we'll be just getting it down like this. We'll be putting the pressure over here, and this is the Jalodhar mudra. Remember, sometimes I see people fighting that our fingers are not straight and something like that. Just don't worry, just keep doing it. If you're doing it like this also, it's okay. Just try to make the fingers as much straight as it is possible. with the period of time you will see the difference that you can do it in a very right position. So this is Jalodhar Mudra. So these 5 elements, when we are incorporating all of them with the palms only, you can see just by doing these kind of mudras we can regulate all the 5 elements in our body. So I just hope that you incorporate these mudras and feel the difference. If you are having any kind of disease or any kind of problem, then just do the mudra related to that particular element. You can definitely get rid of that problem. So I hope you liked today's video, and please just do it on yourself, because every single body is different and the impacts are also different. But let me tell you that there are no side effects of doing this mudras. You can do it anytime, anywhere, but just keep doing it continuously so that you can see the difference. So this is it for today's video. Stay tuned for the upcoming videos. I'll be uploading some very exciting videos about Sambandha, facial yoga and many more videos. So stay tuned for the upcoming videos. Until then, be happy and stay fit. Namaste.